install the toolboxes under the flatbed on the old C30 here. I've had these things for, shoot, probably 3 months already, so it's been a long time coming. I got one for the other side, but basically I'm gonna try and fill this massive void, and you know, toolbox would be the best thing for that. Plan is to use this. I think this thing's a motorcycle jack, but I usually use it for pulling big transmissions. But see if I can slide it on this thing and jack it up and see what we're looking like. Alright, not bad. I think I want to scoot it in a little bit. It kind of sticks out a lot. Yeah, let me try and scoot it in. That's a little better. I don't want to go too far in because then it'd be annoying to get stuff out of it. But I don't want to be like flush with the bed. So I just think it looks goofy. So I think that looks better. Well, those things fit perfectly. I mean, it kind of created a wheel well almost. Kind of scored. We ended up getting these on a pretty big discount from Tractor Supply. Nice. Okay, so I've thought of this, and I initially was going to build some like hangers out of angle iron that came down and supported the bottom of it. That way basically the box would slide in there and it was supported from the bottom. But the more I look at this, I think I'm probably just going to basically drill up into the roof of this and bolt it, because I should be able, there's a lot of beams on this bed. I should be able to get at least, probably 8 bolts holding it up from the roof. And I wasn't going to do that at first because I was afraid it was going to make the roof, or like the top of this box, like bow, but I don't really plan on having much weight in this thing, so I'm not sure that it's going to be a big issue. And if it ever is, then I'll just go back to the original plan and build the angle iron supports from the bottom. bad. I just have 2 bolts holding it right now, so it's kind of just hanging, but looks great. Yeah, before it just had this massive like void right there. It looked weird. You could see the frame and whatnot, but that looks good. Door's still open. Okay, so she's on there. I ended up putting 3 bolts on this side, 2 in the middle, and then 3 bolts in the back. So it's got 8 bolts and nuts holding it total. I think it's gonna be fine. But I definitely think it looks a lot better being on there. It filled that massive void in between the cab and the wheel. I also thought I'd do a quick walk around the truck. It's a 1971 C30 dually. We picked it up and it had a 307 in it, but we had a good 454 out of an RV. So we took the 454 out and put it in here and kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I mean, well, it's still a farm truck. It's supposed to be a you know, just like a cool, original-ish farm truck. Put the big West Coast mirrors on it and painted the wheels and got a new bumper for it. Show the engine. There's the big 454. It's nothing special, it's just prettied up, and I actually had these valve covers laying in the barn, so I cleaned those up and put those on. And then we ended up finding this bed. It was a 12-foot bed, but we cut a foot out of it and made it an 11-foot bed. Made the gooseneck ball line up with the rear end. And we put that hitch and bumper on. Right to end the video here. Like I said, I still need to do the other box, but I figured I wouldn't record it just because it'd kind of be the same exact video that I just recorded. But thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you later.